Hi there. In this video I will present you a method to convert an image in Word or PDF using Microsoft Word. You know that inside an image file which contain a text, you can modify that text, and what can you do, if is it necessary to modify it? In this video I will use Microsoft Word to convert an image file to Word file. I have already downloaded an image file which contains a text and image. Implicit, this file is opened with photos from Windows 11. I will create a new Microsoft Word document. To open an image file in Microsoft Word, click on Insert from the menu bar and after that click on Insert Picture button. You will see that in Microsoft Word, an inserted picture cannot be modified. Many options could be found if you give right-click on mouse, but definitely you couldn't change the text from inside the picture. I will export this file to convert in PDF. If you don't know how to save a file from Microsoft Word in PDF format, watch my video from YouTube with 3 ways to convert a Word file to PDF, or click on the card, with the text with 3 ways to convert, which appears in right up corner, to see this video. Open the PDF file previously created. Will appear fact that Microsoft Word will convert this PDF file into editable Word document. Now, you can modify your text from image file. You can save it like Microsoft Word document or PDF document. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, don't forget to give comment, like or subscribe.